Welcome to all. Next, I am going to talk about what is meant by layer. So, by layer is very important. We need to understand the layer properly. You can understand the Photoshop around 50% properly. Most of the time, we will do mistakes in while working on the layer. You need to understand which layer is working, how to work on the layers. That is very important. So let's go and discuss what is mean by layer, how to create a layers, what is importance of layer, how to work on layer, what are the different types of layers. So now this is a PST file. You can see layers in PST file. If you open JPG or JPEG, you cannot see the. I can just open any other file. You can see it is a flat layer. You can only see. If you see this file, it's a flat layer. You cannot see anything on this file. This is a not a PST file. If you want to create this as a PST file, then you need to it must have you need to save as a PST. Now, what I am going to here, I am here it is each you can understand from this file having multiple layers. You can click on this I button, you can on and off the layer. A layer is there, it is on and off. So what I am going to do step by step, I am removing. This is a phone number at the below, company name on the below, logo on the below, adventure sports. Then I am removing the 50% off. Then I am doing that. So now everything I removed. Then I removed this also. Now background I am not switching. I am switching on one by one these layers. Okay, one, two, three, four, five, six. Then again I am one back. This is the way Photoshop is working. Layers are very important. And this is a way you can work on the layer panel. Next, what I am going to do, I am creating a new file. So here, what I am going to do, here you said the first file you are opening, then the background layer is locked. If I am saying a brush, then I am drawing something here. Then what happened? This is directly drawn on this. If you want to remove this, it's too difficult. It will remove the uh, very not that much easy to remove it. I want to delete everything. It's very difficult to delete everything quickly. So for that, I am putting Control Z. If I am adding one layer, this is a plus button. You can see you can add a new layer. Then what I can do if I am drawing something here. Sorry, now I am not in the brush tool. It has removed. See here, I'm pasting. I'm here. So you see that this is on another line. Mistakenly, if you go and draw here, it will be on this layer only. So you can remove this. This is along with white. So you must understand this is a way you need to work on the layer. Okay, so I think that basically the layers are stacked top one above. And if you want to name a layer, use just layer one. Green you can put here. And another one you can put it as a red. Another one you can put it as blue. Another one you can put it black. So if you are on the brush tool, I am coming to the green already. Green it is there. And red I am going to change red. Then again I am coming to black. I am putting a black again, not blue. I am coming to back to black. I'm selecting a black. So now you can see that each layer, black layer I hidden, this is hidden, hidden, hidden. Okay. So now everything is, nothing is on the layer. This is only one layer. It is completely background. And you can see that here you can work this one, this one, this one. This is a red, blue, and now you got minimum idea about how to working on the layer. So if I want one more layer, see, if I am putting one more layer on the top, I am putting one more color. Think about I want a not gradient. Okay, let's do that. one circle. What happened here? Everything is hidden. If I'll put the switch on this also. Now the entire layer is covering by background and this gradient. So you can I'm clicking outside this. Now you can see this because this is top of all layers. You can drag and drop. You can put it on big. Then switch on. Now the layers on this top of all the layers are there. This is the beauty of layer panel. You just play around adding a layer, removing a layer, new pen, drawing something on set. Okay. Okay, these are about I am planning about the layers and now I concepts everything. I introduction concept I changed. I have explained everything what's mean by the layer. So this is locked layer. If the layer is locked, you can see as a locked layer. Okay, that's all about layer. I am planning to explain the initial video. This is a basic thing. This can avoid by the newcomer means already little bit expert. Otherwise, they can go through this. What is meant by a layer. So thank you for watching and practice this layer panel.